Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I've had my first hiccup with these Ridgid tools here. And first of all, I'm going to take this off just to try and get it out of my way, which yet again, yep, there we go. That was a little bit sticky too. I think I used this on some plumbing that was kind of down and dirty, literally kind of in the dirt, and I think this thing clogged up with a little bit of dirt. And here's my problem. My quick release thing is not releasing. There we go. We got it to release again here. So, but as you can see, as that came out, there's little pieces of dirt down in there. And I really didn't go into the dirt. I didn't put this into the dirt anyway. And I was just using it in dirt. But it even looks almost a little bit rusty, like it got a little bit wet. But so what I'm going to do is go in here and I need to look and see if there's, yeah, this is really gooky. See if there's a way to lube this up a little bit, maybe. So I'm going to go try and lube this up and figure it out. When I do that, I'll tell you what I did if you're having the same problem. So I've cleaned this up a little bit in here. I actually used you can do what you want to do. I'm not responsible if you do anything I do and you hurt your equipment. But I used a little bit of carburetor cleaner, sprayed it on here, kind of brushed it out a little bit, and wiped that. Used a little bit of a rag and got in there best I could. Had to use a little screwdriver because it was kind of difficult to get down in here. Got this nice and clean in here. Also took it, I got kind of a rubber mat here, and I actually just been tapping it. And there's definitely some stuff coming out of it. So now I'm going to take this T9 Bow Shield, not a sponsor, just really like this stuff. And another reason why I'm using this in this particular situation is because a lot of regular lubricants attract dust and dirt and all that stuff, and this actually doesn't do that near as bad anyway. I haven't had any problems. So since we're using wood, metal, and all kinds of different things on this, I don't want a bunch of stuff attracted down in here. I'm going to shoot some down in here as well. Shake it up a little bit. I didn't shake it very well, and kind of let that kind of soak in. Now I don't know, yet again, if I'm supposed to put oil in this thing at any time. There's not really a way to take this apart. Because of that, I'm just kind of winging it here, and I don't really think there was much in the way of the books and things like that. I'm going to let that just kind of stick it up like that. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm just twisting this back and forth, but I'm leaving it up so that the lubricant can get down in there really good. And hoping we can get it to work a little better. I really do like this T9 Bow Shield. I wish I had a sponsor, and they would definitely be one of those ones. Something else I'm noticing as I'm wiping this off, that little bit of, I was talking about, there was a little bit of rust, is wiping right off. So I don't know if that's a extra bonus with this stuff or what, but it seems to be cleaning up just real light duty rust even. You know. Shoot some of it on here. Why not? This stuff has been sitting in here now for a little while. Hopefully it just freed up some stuff. I'm going to wipe some of the excess off here. Wow, that's actually really loose now. that's definitely going in and out much easier. And this is turning. Alright, that's going in and out just fine. So this just definitely needed some, except for now it's slippery, but it needed some lube. And we were back working just fine, I'm hoping anyway. Make sure I didn't do anything that will hurt anything. Working good. You actually see some of that oil coming out. Lots of good coming out. So what I'm going to do is actually hang this down upside down a little bit here. But we'll see. Yeah, that slides right out really nice. So I'm going to go hang this up, let this kind of drip dry for a while, and that seems to have fixed the problem. So if you're having a problem where this is sticking and you've been doing some dirty work, could be some grime and stuff got up in here, or if this just starts sticking, some lubricant of some sort, make sure it's a dry lube that although right now it doesn't look very dry, it'll dry out and it won't stick any crud hopefully up inside there too awful bad. Alright, I think we're done with that. It's working again. This is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.